Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Technology Tejas. So in this video we will understand how to make a word so beautiful with designs, with stylish. So let's start. First you have to download this app known as KineMaster. So let's open this app. So here this is my KineMaster app. So I will go to plus and 16.9. Now what I will do, I will go to background, here black color back. Now what I will do, I will select layer and text. Yes, so I will write here my name as Tejas. See here. Now you have to make this text as bond. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to A. Now you can see here so many designs also. I need design also and bond also. Here you can go to English. Here you can see a Dr. Judge Froza, and here Unisans italic. Okay, or you can use which one is very bond. So see friends, how stylish the word is looking. So I am changing this background color in white. So I will test now. Wait. See friends, now our word is looking as this, but you need shadow on it, color of it. So first what I will do, I will change this color to white background color. Now I will go to Tejas and I will go here to this square white option. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take it as a green color. Now see here. Now you need now you can see here, here volume up, volume down. What is this? You can see you are doing light green. Now you can see it's very light. Yes, if you are going to here, now you can see it's looking like a watermark, and you can go here. So it's very good for your watermark, that is 9%. Okay, and I need simple, so I have this. Now see here, now you need a shadow and shadow. So first we'll do, I will go to shadow option down, so I will go enable. Now you can see this shadow. Yes, you can change your color also. Go to here in #00 ROGOBO A179. Yes, you can make it as a red color, or you can make it as green because it will look perfect. Yes, you can change this distance, very far angle. Yes, okay. Okay, this is the best. Now you want the glowing look. Yes, so I will go to glow and I will go to here. Here you can see it's glowing here. If I am doing to spread more and size also more, so see here I can't see my shadow, but it's glowing too much. Yes, so I will make here. Now let's go to background color. I will enable it. You can see here, but I will keep it as a red. It will look better. Even you now you have to do to full screen. means you want to here also and here also. So what I will do, I will enable it. So see here, when I enable it, you can see a text are looking very beautiful. Now you can see your outline also. You can change your outline color. See here, you can do it lighter. Yes. So outline color makes a word very beautiful. Yes. So I will do. So now I have to text options. Even I can make just like here. Yes. Now character. Here they are. Can make it so. So this was my today's video. How you like my video? Please comment in my comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.